Demystifying Creative Commons. How to use an attribute. Hello learners. Today, we dive into the world of Creative Commons and open licenses. Ever wondered how to legally use someone else's work and how to properly give credit? Stick with us, as we unravel the mystery of using and attributing Creative Commons licensed works. Creative Commons, often shortened to CC, is a nonprofit organization that has designed copyright licenses that allow creators to specify which rights they reserve and which they waive. This provides a simple, standardized way to give the public permission to share and use their creative work. There are several types of CC licenses, each with different permissions and requirements. 1. CC BY. This license lets others distribute, remix, adapt, and build upon your work, even commercially, as long as they credit you for the original creation. 2. CC BY SA. Allows others to remix, adapt, and build upon your work even for commercial purposes, but they must license their new creations under identical terms. 3. CC BY NC. This allows others to remix, adapt, and build upon your work non-commercially. Their new works must acknowledge you and be non-commercial, but they don't have to license their derivative works on the same terms. 4. CC BY ND. Allows for redistribution, but the work can't be changed and must be credited to you. 5. CC BY NC SA. Allows others to remix and adapt non-commercially, as long as they credit you and license their new creations under the identical terms. 6. CC BY NCND. The most restrictive license. Only allows others to download your works and share them with others as long as they credit you, but they can't change them in any way or use them commercially. Remember, whichever license is chosen, attribution is always required. 1. Search and verify. Always ensure the work you wish to use has a Creative Commons license. Websites like Flickr, Wikimedia Commons, and SoundCloud often have CC licensed content. 2. Follow the license terms. Understand the type of license and adhere to its conditions, whether it's commercial use, attribution, or sharing under the same license. 3. Avoid mixing licenses. If you're combining works with different CC licenses, make sure they're compatible. For example, a work under CC BY NC cannot be used in a commercial project. Attribution is crucial. Here's a simple guide to do it right. 1. Credit the creator. Always state the name of the creator. 2. Provide the title. Include the title of the work. 3. Include the license. Specify which Creative Commons license it's under and ideally, provide a link to the license, though we're avoiding links in this video. 4. Any modifications? If you've made changes to the work, indicate that it's been altered. An example of a proper attribution: Sunset by John Doe is licensed under CC BY 2.0. Modified from the original. Attributing and using Creative Commons licensed works might seem complex at first, but once you get the hang of it, it's a breeze. Remember, it's all about respecting the creator's wishes and giving proper credit. By doing so, we foster a culture of sharing, collaboration, and creativity. We hope this video has shed light on how to use and attribute Creative Commons works correctly. Happy creating and learning!